students, my name is Shilpi Gupta and this video is for all sections of class 12. In today's video, we will be studying a very important topic, transformation of sentences. Transformation means change. Okay, today we will learn how we can change a simple past positive sentence into simple past negative sentence. So, she played football. Okay, she is the subject, played is the second form of the verb or the past form of the verb, and football is rest of the sentence. Okay, so if a sentence has subject plus past form of the verb plus rest of the sentence, it means it is a simple past positive sentence. So what is the rule? Subject, past form of the verb plus rest of the sentence. Okay, I will tell you how we can change a simple past positive sentence into simple past negative sentence. Okay, how we can change? We just have to add did not before the main verb. हमें क्या करना है? Main verb से पहले did not लगाना है. Played is the main verb. Okay, इससे पहले हमें क्या लगाना है? Did not. तो she did not. Okay, one thing that you need to remember, if we are putting did in a sentence, we always use the present form of the verb. So she did not. And what is the present form of played? It is play. She did not play football. Okay. So what is the rule of the negative sentence? Subject plus did plus not plus present form of the verb plus rest of the sentence. Okay. Let us come to the next example. Ramesh wrote stories. Again it is a simple past sentence. How we can change? By adding not before the main verb. And what is the present form of wrote? It is write. So Ramesh did not write stories. And now I will tell you how we can change a positive sentence into interrogative sentence. Now what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence asks questions. Interrogative sentence क्या होते हैं? जो sentences question पूछते हैं. Okay. So before that, first I will tell you what are the helping verbs. The helping verbs are is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall. Okay. These are the helping verbs. And how we can change a positive sentence into interrogative sentence? It is very easy. We just have to place the helping verb before the subject. हमें क्या करना है? Helping verb को subject से पहले place करना है. Okay. So he is studying English. In this sentence, what is the helping verb? The helping verb is. And what we have to put? We just have to place the helping verb before the subject. And rest will go after that. Okay. Is he studying English? Okay. And remember one thing, our interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Okay. Next example, Suresh has read a book. In this sentence, what is the helping verb? The helping verb is has. Okay. And what I have told you, we just have to place the helping verb before the subject and rest will go after that. Okay. So has Suresh read a book? Question mark. And now I will tell you how we can change a simple present positive sentence into simple present interrogative sentence. Okay. Before that, I will tell you the uses of do and does. We use do with I, you, we, they and with plural nouns. Okay. We use does with he, she, it and singular nouns. Okay. So the rule of changing a positive sentence into interrogative sentence is we put helping verb before the subject. What we do? We put helping verb before the subject. As you know, in this sentence there is no helping verb. Like is the main verb. Okay. So we put helping verb. The helping verb which we put is do or does according to the subject. They like ice cream. With they, which helping verb we use? We use do. Okay. So the rule of changing a positive sentence into interrogative sentence is do, does plus subject plus main verb plus object plus question mark. Okay, so which helping verb we have to use? We have to put do. Do they like ice cream? Question mark. Okay, the next example is Ravi sings well. Again it is a simple present sentence, and how we can change into interrogative sentence? You know Ravi is singular. With singular what we will use? We will use does. Okay, so does, rest. I have told you helping verb in the beginning and rest at the end. So which helping verb we have to put? We have to put does. Does in the beginning and rest at the end. Does Ravi sing well? What I have told you, I have told you this earlier also. If we are putting does, so we don't put s or es in the main verb. Okay, so does Ravi sing well? It will, does Ravi sings well is incorrect. Does Ravi sing well? Okay, and now I will tell you how we can change a simple past positive sentence into simple past interrogative sentence. The rule remains the same. We just have to put helping verb before the subject. हमें क्या करना होता है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब को सब्जेक्ट से पहले लाना होता है और बाकी सारा हम क्या करते हैं? पीछे ले जाते हैं. ओके, ही न्यू द आंसर. In this there is no helping verb, right? So the helping verb that we use for simple past sentences is did. Okay, so the rule of changing a positive sentence into interrogative sentence is did plus subject plus present form of the verb. With did we always use the present form of the verb plus object. Okay, he knew the answer. What is the present form of knew? Know. Okay, so did he know the answer? Question mark. Okay, now let us come to the next example. Rita came late. What is the present form of came? Come, right? And what I have told you, helping verb in the beginning and rest at the end. So did Rita come late? Question mark. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.